Good morning everyone and welcome back to a decentralized bull channel. Today on this amazing Saturday we are going to talk about the current Bitcoin price and the pattern that I just discovered in the charts right now, and stay tuned until the end. This is quite a bullish pattern, so make sure you don't miss on this opportunity. Leave a like, share this video with your friends, and make sure you make some noise for the algorithm also in the comments. Let me know what is your opinion right now on the current market situations. Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you shorting? Are you long? Are you accumulating more? Or are you just staying on the sidelines? Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the Bitcoin charts and see what the charts are telling us here. So right now, we can see here Bitcoin sitting at $60,000, 826. We can see here we have a descending wedge pattern here forming, guys. So usually a descending wedge pattern is a correction pattern, and once this correction is over, we can expect massive upside momentum. Like, let me quickly show you here how this falling wedge pattern usually works like this. So we have here, the price consolidates down and then it starts a rising trend again. So it's quite a bullish pattern. I'm quite bullish about this. This will bring us at least back to the $73,000 area once we break up, and we can see we are nearing the apex point here. So Bitcoin will probably take a decision quite soon, probably in the next upcoming. Let's see what we have here. This month of May, it's probably gonna happen, maybe by the end. This is also what I talked about in my videos before. I said that May is probably gonna be a quiet month, because usually in May people take money out to pay their taxes, they take money out to go for holiday, they take money out to just have it for future investment. So May, usually there is one saying in May: take your money and go away. We already calculated it. Like, if you remember, I was taking profits in March on my altcoins, so now I have plenty of dry powder to buy more altcoins on the dip. And actually, let me also quickly show you some more interesting information here. So we can see here, this is the Bitcoin chart on the daily. This is happening here in December. We can see here Bitcoin dropped from around $49,000 to $38,000, around 22%, 22.3%. And now let's see what is happening right now. Actually, let's go here. We can see this is the current chart from today. We can see here we have also 22.7%. So this correction might be over already. Like, now we just have some sideways accumulation here, and we can expect a movement to the upside very soon without any reasons to, like, black swans. I expect the price to definitely go up this year. Like, I expect a $150,000 Bitcoin by the end of this bull market minimum, maybe even more. Like, now we have ETFs coming in, we have interest, we have the network effect that is coming into place. So this means the crypto and Bitcoin community is growing day by day just by the network effect. So quite bullish situation right now. We also know the cycles, guys, how the cycles work, and the cycle is telling us always we're gonna have, like, after the halving, 12 to 16 months, that's when we're gonna experience the bull market peak. So for now, I'm not worried at all about the Bitcoin price. Like, actually, I would be even more happy if we dip lower so I can buy more. But I think the probability that we're gonna go below $50,000 ever again, it's very low. Like, in my opinion, I think Bitcoin will continue this uptrend pattern. Now we just had a slight consolidation phase here, which is very healthy as well. So that's why I'm still remaining very bullish on Bitcoin. I didn't sell any Bitcoin since the last bull market, and I'm just accumulating more and more. Now let's take a look at the altcoin market and see what is happening right now. We had Doge at 14 cents, also quite amazing thing. We can see also here very volatile, but doesn't mean that it's bad. Volatility brings a lot of opportunity. So let's just quickly see. Here we had a dip. Let's see, from 20, it dipped down to around 12 cents. That's a 40% dip. That's not nice. But for example, if you buy this dip and it goes back to the previous zone here, you can make 87% on spot, guys. 87% without using any leverage. You can almost double your portfolio like this. Quite amazing opportunities in the market. Also, Ethereum at below $3,000 looks amazingly cheap right now. Looks for me like it's also in the same falling wedge pattern like Bitcoin. So we can expect also a huge breakout on Ethereum very soon. Let me quickly take it away and show you the pattern as well. You can see it already. I don't know. I'm quite good at finding patterns in the charts, but you can see here, bam, here we have here this resistance zone, and here is looks again like a falling wedge pattern. So we can expect on Ethereum also by the end of May quite a huge breakout, probably to the upside. Like I think I would say the chances are around 70% that we're gonna break to the upside. If we don't get any black swan event, I don't think the price will go much lower. Now, what do we have here? We have Optimism, which I bought a lot actually. Like on the dip here, you can see an Optimism. Oh, it actually went a little bit below, but it can be also fake out. Optimism has a very nice uptrend right now, so I expect Optimism to continue this uptrend and go back to the $3.20 area, then the $4.20 area, and maybe even for new all-time highs very, very soon, like in the next couple of months. So I'm buying definitely. I bought Optimism when it was here at $2. I bought it at $2.20. I bought it at $2.30. I'm buying it all the time, all the way up, and I like to accumulate more. I also sold a huge amount of Optimism when it was $4.20 in March. You remember when I made my video about the altcoins? It was around this day, like you can see before this red candle. I made a post on Twitter and I said I'm selling some altcoins and making some orders at lower price targets. If you go to my Twitter, you can definitely find this tweet and confirm it yourself. Now we have here link, also amazing buying opportunity, and we have stacks at $2. Looks incredibly juicy to buy right now. Like literally, if we buy now FTX and it moves to the upside, we can make just on spot here. We can make around 1 second. We can make around 70 to 90%, 91% on spot. Quite amazing opportunity here on stacks. Also, you can literally double your portfolio like this. Like if you know conservative traders and big funds, you know, they're expecting to make 10 to 20% per month. But in crypto, you can literally make 100%, not per month, per year. So the usual ROI on investment fund is around 10 to 15%. That's already the good ones, you know, like really you want something that outperforms the S&P. If it doesn't outperform the S&P, then you're just missing opportunity cost here. Then we have here soil, amazing price right now to buy. I'm definitely going to buy more. Looks like it's about to go also same here, same pattern, falling wedge pattern on all the cryptocurrencies right here. So a falling wedge pattern is just a correction pattern, guys. This doesn't show the market is over. The market is just getting started. The real bull market is not even here yet. So make sure you don't get scared, you don't get shaken out, because that's what the market makers and the big whales are trying to do to you. They are trying to shake you out of the market. Now, what else we have here? Render, and I want to show you also some nice find that I found here. So basically, all the AI coins right now, you know, you can see here we dipped from around $13. We dipped down below to $6. But right now, if you see from $6, if you take it from $6 to the current price right now, it's already 73% up. If you take it to the top of the 3 days before, it's 86% up. So you can literally double your portfolio just in a very short amount of time. Like here you can see this was on the literally on the 2nd of May. So here, just from here to this move, you can make 70% on spot in just 9 days. Quite amazing opportunity in my opinion. That's why I love the crypto market. So that's why always look for crypto opportunities like this. And what I just saw this pattern, like these AI coins, I think this will be the new hype because they're bouncing back the strongest. Like I was checking Fetch, Render, Paul, and many other AI coins, and as far as I can see, they are bouncing back the strongest. Some of them, you know, they dipped quite hardly when the markets got shaken out 1 to 2 months ago. and they already back up almost over 100%. So quite amazing opportunity out there to look for this dip. So when you see another dip, I would go for the AI coins because they pump the hardest. They have the strongest bounce back and they have the biggest opportunity. This will be probably the hype niche this year. So that's why I'm definitely accumulating more AI altcoins. I also just invested in Rainmaker before, in Leica AI. These projects are not launched yet, so quite amazing opportunity still if you can find some launch pads that are launching these tokens or some other opportunity to get in early. Now what else do we have here? Let's see, MPC doing quite greatly. Like if you remember, I made a post about MPC and Soil when they were both quite down below. I think MPC was around 24 cents, and now if you look here from 24 cents, here from 25 cents to here already 37% up on spot. So quite amazing opportunities out here to buy altcoins. Now what else do we have here? All right, I think we are about to end this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits and see you all again next time. Bye bye.